morning. Today is Monday, July 29th, and I did not put out a video on Friday. I had some unexpected family things come up, so I wasn't able to make it in. So let's just recap where I'm at and what you know that I've been covering lately. So let's see. The one trade, as you all know, I am long the TBT, right? The ultra short Lehman 20-year Treasury bond, right? Long at $74, this upper white line, long at 74, got long right here. We were also looking to go long at 72.5 right down in here, but just missed getting us long there. But I am long at 74. And as you recall last week, I took off a third of the position off at 75.25. When it gapped higher, took a little off. I've still got 2/3 on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the remaining portion of my position. I'm going to move my stop up to below Friday's low right here. So that sell stop is going to be at 74.29, just locking in 29 cents. So if this market moves to the upside, great. If not, it comes down, we'll still make a little bit of money as it comes down. Then I'd still be looking to get in at a lower price. But at this point, I want this to be an absolute free trade, and it's an absolute free trade right now. All right. So that's for TBT. Let's see, eBay, we got knocked out on actually Thursday afternoon, the 25th. Took a 2-point loss there. No big deal. Scratch that trade. That is off right now. Although Friday was a bullish outside vertical bar. I want to see it just kind of calm down in here. I want it maybe to contract a little bit. If I saw a little tight little inside vertical bar, I'd be looking to go long to the upside. But I want to wait for some contraction before looking to get long. This would be off my radar altogether if we take out the low of Friday, which is 50.92. If we take that out in the next few days, this would be off my radar entirely. But if the market's able to back and fill a little bit, we get a little tight little inside bar, or a couple of them, I'd be looking to go long to the upside again. A trade that I put on this morning is Netflix, NFLX, Netflix, right? This market obviously is a strong uptrend. Had a few great buying opportunities. One down in here a while back, right down in here, even here before the explosion up to new highs. Look at that inside pattern there before this big run up in here. We took this high out right in here. We're pulling back. We're right now sitting between the mid to the lower band, right? But apart from that, we've got two consecutive inside patterns. You see this right here? This high is lower than the prior bar's high, and the low is slightly higher than the prior bar's low. And then Friday, we created another inside pattern, right? The high of Friday was lower than Thursday's high, and the low was higher than Thursday's low as well. So we've got two consecutive inside patterns. Friday's high was $246.98, $246.98. As you know, any stock above $100 or $200, I typically use 20 or 30 cent penetration. So 20 cents above 246.98 is 247, right? 247, about 18, right? 247.18. Had a buy stop there. I got filled at 247.55. So I am long at 247.55 here. Okay, that's where I'm long. My catastrophe stop loss is actually going to be below Friday's low. Okay, so that puts me at 240. All right, 240.61 is where my stop is, which means my risk on this trade is $6.94. $6.94. Stop is down here, right? My first target, okay, let me give you my first target here. First target is 258.93. So my P1, profit objective number one, is $258.93. All right, so again, long at 247.55. My catastrophe stop is 240.61, and my first target is 258.93. So I'm looking to make my first target. I'm looking to make $11.38. My first target. So let's here. So here you go. First profit objective right up in here. Again, that's 258.93. The initial catastrophe stop loss is $240.61 right here, and of course, this middle white line represents our entry price, right? As the market took out Friday's high, went long, initial stop loss just below Friday's low, which means if I'm taken out today, that means the market has created an OVB, an outside vertical bar, or an engulfing pattern. I won't want to be there anymore. Again, first profit target, $258.93. We're targeting $11.38, and our initial catastrophe stop is $6.94 on this trade, okay? All right, have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow morning. Let's see what happens. Bye now.